Hello? Yeah? You had something to say? Go ahead. Tell me. Tell your mama. Tell your mama. Tell your mama. Tell your mama what you have to say. You tell your mama. What do you have to say? Huh? Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. Tell me. Tell me. You have something to say? Do you have something to say to your mother? Do you have something to say to your mama? What is that? What is it? Huh? You're not saying too much.